Pujyate Festival of Science Communication, Popularization and its extension cum National Science Day 2022 celebration will be jointly organized by the State Council of Science, Technology and Environment, Meghalaya and Vigyan Prasar and Autonomous Body of Department of Science and Technology, Government of India from the 22nd to 28 February 2022 at All Saints Hall, IGP, Shillong from 10 a.m. onwards and also at Tura Science Center, West Garo Hills.
The State Council of Science, Technology and Environment, Meghalaya, in partnership with Vigyan Prasar and in association with the Shillong Science Center, we are organizing a week-long festival for science and technology, which is a part of the 75 years of independence of our country, as well as the Golden Jubilee celebration of our state. We are organizing this week-long celebration from the 22nd, which will culminate on the 28th of February, which is also a National Science Day. And as I've said, this is the program which is in association with the Vigyan Prasar, in partnership with them. Vigyan Prasar is the autonomous body of the Department of Science and Technology.
So actually this week-long program is intended to spread out knowledge in the best possible ways. And so for this purpose, there are various activities, and most of these activities actually, along with whatever activities and programs that has been laid out by Vigyan Prasar, conducted by them, we have other activities of our own as well, and most of these are interactive programs. And the various competitions that we have are like quiz, extempore speech, science, skit and drama, poetry competitions. We also have innovative ideas competitions. Innovative idea competitions is like this: the students come to this program. They don't just come out there, I mean like just for the purpose of coming and finish the program. The thing is like this: each and every students will get a chance to express which part of science make it more interesting to them.
We want to inculcate into the students or the candidates who will be there, participants, the idea of problem solving, because as we know, the interest towards science and maths and also technology, it all basically stems from interest, and if the students do not have the interest, then they will not pursue the branch. As such, one of the major platforms that we can actually get the interest of the students is from this innovation idea. So this is one of the one of the things that we will be having on that particular day.